Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Thanks for joining me today. So, guess what I'm doing today? I am bringing back the pastel landscape silhouette drawings. So, I have not done one of these in about 1 year. It's been a year since I uploaded the last video, and I actually feel inspired again to start doing these. So I also know that a large part of you wanted these drawings back, and I had decided to not do them anymore and just focus on the realism tutorials for a year. I'm going to try to find a balance between the colored pencil tutorials and these more imaginary type drawings. I don't want them to take over the channel as much as they used to. I still want to focus on the colored pencil, the realism, because that's what I do, that's what I make my living with, but I really like to do these imaginary type of drawings in between, as they're really relaxing for me. I love to do them. I just completely ran out of inspiration when I had to do them every single week just to get views on my channel. So I'm not doing that anymore, but I am going to throw in maybe 1 or 2 of these a month. Let's see how that goes, and I hope you'll like it. So I do have a real-time version of this, which I'm not going to put up on Patreon, but if you're interested in seeing the real-time video of this one, let me know in the comments, so maybe I can upload that one. It's about 1 hour long. This drawing took me 1 hour, which is quite short. So if you're interested in actually drawing along, put a thumbs up on this video and I might upload it so you can draw along with this video and create this drawing yourself. So what I'm drawing today is 2 bunnies and a galaxy, a planet, just a regular type of galaxy drawing that I'm used to doing, and I missed it a lot. I miss doing these drawings. I'm using a different brand of pastels. I have switched to Faber-Castell pastel sticks. I used to work with Koh-i-Noor pastels, but I like to try another brand. So I bought these. It's a 48 set of colors, and so far I've actually been really liking these Faber-Castell pastels. I think I like them even a little bit more than the Koh-i-Noor ones, as these ones are square or rectangle shaped, so it's a little bit easier to draw straight lines and to get in all the nooks and crannies, to do a little bit more detail with them. And the colors are so beautiful, so bright, so I really like these pastels. I might get a bigger set of these someday. And then, as usual, I'm working on pastel matte, Clairefontaine pastel matte, and this is dark gray, the color, and the size is about, I'm not sure actually what the size is, 7 by 10 maybe, something like that. And then the pastel pencils I work with are Stabilo and Faber-Castell Pit. So those are all the materials. Then as usual, I'm using my finger to blend. So when it comes to doing these videos, these pastel videos again, I will probably not do the 3 or 4 minute time-lapse videos anymore. Those aren't really good for learning. They were way too fast, so you couldn't really see what I was doing anyway. So I will not upload those ones anymore, so no time lapses with just music. They will be like this, so a little longer with voiceover, so I can actually explain what I'm doing, and I hope you like that. So my channel will keep being tutorial focused, so no short time lapses anymore. And I really like doing these tutorials, so that's what I've really learned in the past year. I've done a lot of tutorials. I could really work on my realism skills, and now that I've worked on that and on my teaching skills as well, I now feel ready again to get back into these imaginary type of drawings and actually see if I have improved in my, my general drawing skills and my creative skills. So a little bit about this drawing. I started out with the background with the sky. I used 1 or 2 pictures from Pixabay just for the colors. And then I drew the planet on top. I used this pot, this plastic little pot for plants. I used it to trace the outline to make the planet more or less round. And then I filled that in. I used the very light white pastel stick from the Faber-Castell sticks, which I really liked. And then I made the bottom of the planet a little bit darker to create some depth in it. And then I wanted to draw bunnies. So I'm really into rabbits. I love rabbits. I've loved them all my life. And especially I really like the movie Watership Down. I grew up with it. And I think I started to like bunnies because of that movie and the TV series as well. So I wanted to draw bunnies. I drew the silhouettes with the pastel pencil from Stabilo. And then I filled them in with the black pastel stick, because that one is a little bit more opaque. The pencil didn't really cover the paper that well, as there are a lot of layers underneath already. So I filled the bunnies in with the pastel stick so I could get them really nice and black. And for the silhouettes of the bunnies, I did use some references just to see what the shapes of bunnies are like. I haven't drawn many bunnies, so I do need some pictures just to see how the proportions are like. Starting with the ears, then the head, and then I drew the body downwards. But if you're not comfortable with drawing like this, like directly freehanding on top of your drawing, you can also sketch out your subject beforehand, of course, or do a sketch on another piece of paper and then transferring it onto the drawing. So there are multiple ways to do the sketch or the silhouette drawings like that. So after drawing the bunnies, I filled in the grass. Actually, the whole hill or grass area turned out a little bit larger than I wanted to. Now, quite a large part of the drawing is just black, so I am not sure if I like that. But I do like the overall depth in the drawing. The bunnies are nice and small, so they're quite far away. Then the planet is behind that. And because the planet is so light, the black bunnies stand out really well. And then finally, of course, I had to draw in stars. So I did that with the white pastel stick, just tapping on the paper, creating little dots. And I do that manually, just finding out where I like to place the stars and then dotting all those stars individually on the paper. Then, of course, it was time to peel off the tape. So you can see how I do that. Always really satisfying to watch. And that basically concludes this video for today. I really hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments what you think of the drawing, and also what you think of my decision to bring back these type of drawings again, if you think it's a good decision or not. I'm not sure yet what it's going to do to my channel, if it will actually bring back the activity and the views again. So I'm very curious to see how it turns out. And for those of you who are here for the colored pencil tutorials and the graphite tutorials, don't be afraid, I will still keep on doing those as well. So yeah, hopefully finding a nice balance between the two types of styles. And then I'll see you in the next video, I hope. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and thank you very much for watching.